Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today I will tell you how to get Minecraft Skyblock for free. Open your Chrome, then search Skyblock Minecraft, then go to Minecraft maps, then scroll down. Now click on download map. Now just click here, download. Once it download, paste it in here. You open this, paste this in desktop. Now open this file. Now go to your Minecraft location. Go to saves, then paste it here. Paste it here. Now just open your Minecraft launcher. Mine is tlancher. If you want tlancher, so tell in comments. It's starting. Now go on to single player. Now you can see this as skyblock. Open it. Now here you can see we have added skyblock. Like and subscribe for more videos. If you want me to make a video on tlancher download, so tell in comments. Bye.